Hi friends, many of us think that trading and investing are one of the same thing, but that's not true. So today we'll see that what is trading, what is investing, and what's the difference between these two, and also which is suitable to you. So trading involves more frequent transactions such as the buying and selling of stocks, commodities, currency pairs, or other instrument. So the person indulged in such activities is called as a trader. Whereas the goal of investing is to gradually build wealth over an extended period of time through the buying and holding of portfolio of stocks, baskets of stock, mutual fund, bond, and other investment instrument. So the person which is involved in all such activity is called as an investor. So both investor and trader try to seek profit through market participation. So the goal of a trader is to generate returns that outperform buy and holding investing. While investor may be content with annual returns of 10 to 15, trader might seek 10% return each month. Trading profits are generated by buying at a lower price and selling at a higher price within a relatively short period of time. Traders often rely upon the technical analysis of stock, which is generated with the help of tools like charts, candlestick, etc. There are different types of trader depending upon the style and duration of trade. Traders generally fall into one of the four categories. First one is the position trader, where the positions are held from months to year. Second is the swing trader, where the positions are held from days to week. Then there comes day trader, where the positions are held throughout the day, only with no overnight positions. So whatever shares we have bought in today, we will sell on the same day. It is one of the most popular trading type in market. And lastly, the scalp trader, where the positions are held for few seconds or minutes, and there is no overnight position involved in this. Now, as we have seen that what a trader is, let us also see about the different type of investors. Investments often are held for a period of years or even decades, taking advantage of perks like interest, dividend, and stock split along the way. Investors typically are more concerned with market fundamentals such as price to earning ratios and management forecast. Investors rely upon the fundamental analysis of stock and always think like the business person. They try to gain insight by carefully observing the minute of minute details about a company. So there are different types of investor. So the active investors, they stay abreast of the stocks performance. They do a lot of research and keep up with the daily news, financial news. They don't necessarily buy one day and sell the next, but they do pay attention to changes in trends and also buy or sell based on those trends. Then there comes the passive investors. This kind of investor doesn't try to go for the biggest possible gain at all times. Instead, the passive investor accepts reasonable gains in exchange for a lower stress level and more free time. This person may invest in mutual fund, so the fund's money manager can make buy, the sell, and decision. Some investors look for a chance to make money fast. They search the market for stock they are assumed to go up because of an impending deal or a merger of two companies. Such investors are called as speculators, as they speculate about the market well in advance and generate profit through it. And lastly, the people investing for retirement are called as retirement investors. They tend to change their tactics as they approach retirement age. Now, after we have seen about trading and investing, so on how a trader as well as an investor work, it's time for us to see that which of these is beneficial for us. Well, that depends upon a few parameters, and let us check them one by one. So if you consider trading as a one-day cricket match, then investing is a test cricket. You would watch skillful players in the team who are expected to strike fours and sixes to score higher in a one-day match, whereas the art of the game is seen in the test match. Similarly, traders are skilled, technical individuals who time the market and learn market trends to hit higher profits in the stipulated time. Investors, on the other hand, analyze the stock and which they want to invest in. Secondly, trading is a method of holding stocks for a short period of time. It could be for a week or more often a day. Trader holds stock while the short-term high performance, whereas investing is an approach that works on buy and hold principle. Investor invests their money for some years, decades, or even longer period. Due to this, in trading, the chances of gaining or losing income is fast as compared to investing. Undoubtedly, both trading and investing imply risk on their capital. However, trading comparatively involves higher risk and higher potential return as the price might go high or low in a short while. While investing is an art, it takes a while to develop. It involves comparatively lower risk and lower return in a short run, but might deliver higher returns by compounding interest and dividends if held for a longer period of time. So, coming back to our question, you are the one to decide if trading the seeds at a higher price make a smaller profit in a short time is your goal, or holding on and growing more seeds to sell at much higher price is the long run is what you aim for. So that's all for today, and we will be coming with more info related to shares and share market. Do support us by subscribing to our channel and hit the like button if you like the content. Till then, thank you and have a good day.